Welcome. So if you're on this video right now, I'm assuming you're looking for those top 27 undervalued cryptos list, and you'll be glad to know that is the first link in the description. Go ahead and click on that and it will take you over to that Google document that will show you all of those cryptocurrencies. So the reason I made you guys come to this video and actually watch this training is because I wanted to help you guys actually make money with those coins instead of just giving you those coins, because who knows, maybe you would just do nothing with it, or maybe you go above and beyond and you would have taken immediate action and gone to trade those. But I want to help you out with trading, because trading is actually quite hard when it comes to trading cryptocurrency. Okay, this is a very volatile and new market, and I wanted to be the one to help you guys out. So after you look at that list and go through it, see which ones you like, see which ones you may not like, choose whichever ones you want to invest in, choose which ones you want to trade, choose which ones you want to actually look into. After that, come over here to livecoinwatch.com and go ahead, make a free account, and go over to the watch list section. Now, I have my watch list here, which actually has 20 of those 27 coins on that list, because these are the coins that I want to focus on, mainly market leaders, blockchain infrastructure projects, and a few other really nice emerging dApps that I believe in. So go ahead, build the watch list. You can put all 27 in there. You can even put 50, 100 in there if you wanted, or you can just put 10 or 5 in there. Whatever you want to do, go ahead and enter in the coins that you want to do. Now, the reason we use this, it allows us to focus on the projects that we want to invest in, and not just go to coinmarketcap.com and look at thousands of cryptocurrencies and get overwhelmed and end up never doing anything. So every single morning, I come into Live Coin Watch and I scan through these coins a few different ways in order to find out what I want to look for a trade for that day. So the first way we're going to scan is through volume. So I already did this before, and Litecoin is actually getting an abnormal amount of volume than normal. Usually it gets a little bit less volume than today. So that is the coin that we're going to use for this example. So once we find out that, okay, Litecoin is getting an abnormal amount of volume, and the way you basically do that is the rankings here will show basically in order. You just want to find coins that are above rankings than normally. And so 22 is clearly above 12, so clearly it's getting more volume than normal. So actually, let's focus on QTIM for this one, because QTIM is a better example. So come over here to Trading View after you've done that, and now we are all set to actually take care of this. So you want to make sure that you're on the 4-hour time interval, because this is a swing trading time interval. I'm going to recommend for all of you to at least start off with swing trading, because it is the most beneficial, easiest, most relaxed, and kind of, easy is the perfect word, honestly. All you have to know is how to handle trading when it comes to this. So, like I said, 4-hour time interval is going to allow for opportunities, but not too many that overwhelm you, because oftentimes day trading, if you just start off with that, you're going to be getting nonstop alerts to buy here, buy here, buy here every 10 minutes, and it can get incredibly overwhelming. So before we get into day trading, talking about day trading, let's start off with swing trading. Okay, so on the 4-hour time interval, make sure you're on that. And then all we're going to do is come over to indicators, type in the RSI, click on the relative strength index, and go ahead and bring that up. Now, once you brought that up, it will look like this down here. And I want you to pay attention to that purple line, okay? When that purple line goes below this purple shaded area, that is basically telling you this is a discount, okay? So whenever you see this purple line below the shaded area, know it's a discount. Whenever you see the purple line above the shaded area, know if you were to buy at that point, you're buying at the high, okay? Because as you can see, after it was overbought right here is what they call it, it came crashing down after. So we don't want to be buying at that top. We want to be buying when it's a discount, right? We want to get a discount price, similar to if you were going to look for a television and then resell it. You want to, if the television is worth $200, you would want to get it for maybe $150, $160, $180, so then you could make $20 profit on reselling it for $200 or maybe even $220 or something like that. So take that same concept and apply it to trading. So for this example, we could buy at these points where it is oversold. Okay, so even if we bought right here, we could wait, and about in 7 days, there is a 14% gain possibility. Right here, again, if we buy at the bottom, there is about a 20% gain possibility in 5 days. So that is the basic concept of trading, and one of the most important indicators when it comes to trading cryptocurrency, stocks, forex, whatever you are trading. This is one of the most important indicators because, again, we want to be getting a discount. The basic concept of trading and how you trade successfully is you buy something at a low price, okay? You get it at maybe $10, and then you go and sell it to someone else for a price higher than the price that you bought it for, allowing you to make a profit. Okay, so obviously most of you guys probably understand that, but I want to keep it super basic for this first video. Obviously, we are going to have a ton of content that we will deliver to you straight to your mail inbox. And again, guys, if you don't want to get that content, you can just go ahead and unsubscribe from the list. That's absolutely fine, but just know you'll be missing out on a ton of great content, giveaways, and different free stuff. So if you like free stuff, I know I do, definitely stick around on this mailing list. Trust me, it won't be too much of a hassle, okay? So now that we've gone through a simple little walkthrough of how you guys can make money with all of the coins that I just provided to you in that list, I want to let you know how you can actually automate this process. So you can actually make it so you're alerted every time you get, every time that an asset is oversold, right? Every time an asset is at a discounted price. So as you move your mouse up and down, you can see there's this little plus icon. I want you to go ahead and click it, okay? Once you click it, and that's just going to come up for a second, I'll actually just remove this so that it does it normally. Okay, so once you click it, this little thing over here is going to come up. So I want you to, once it comes up, click this little gear icon, and then we're just going to change this right here and make sure you put it at 30. Okay, keep everything else the same, just put that at 30, do once per minute, okay? And now we are all set. You don't really have to change anything else. You can click send email to SMS. I have it chosen so you can send it to SMS, but that costs a little bit of extra money. If you guys do want to get these signals for a very cheap price, we actually do have a program called Investors Elite, but I don't want to push you guys to buy anything just yet. You know, I want to deliver you guys content first, so that we will cover a little later. Okay, so go ahead and click save, and then you are all set. Now the next time that this purple line goes below this purple shaded area, it will start beeping if you're on the computer, or if you had it sent to your email or to your phone, you'll get an email saying that now is the time to, buy. All right, now is a discounted price. So now that we've understand how to automate this whole process, that is the conclusion of this first training video, guys. I wanted to keep it super basic for this one and just show you guys how you can make money with all of those undervalued cryptocurrencies that I just gave you. And again, you can apply the same concept to a larger time interval, the day time interval, which actually is, normally allows for even larger profits, okay? As you can see, last time this was oversold on the day time interval, you could have made about 79% in 22 days, which is definitely not a bad payday at all. So that